Hello everyone, welcome to Student Presentation Week. Myself Uma Chandravanshi. I am a student of B Pharmacy 5th SEM of Apollo College of Pharmacy Anjura Durg. Today I am giving a presentation on pharmacognosy study of tannin containing crude drugs, that is catechol. First we see the image of catechol. Definition of catechol. Catechol is an extract of acacia tree used various as a food additive, astringent, tannin, and dye. It is extracted from the several species of acacia, but especially Sinagelia catechol by boiling the wood in water and evaporating the resulting brew. Catechol are generally two types. First is pale catechol and second is black catechol. Is pale catechol. Synonyms: Gambier catechol, Tara japanian. Geographical source: Pale catechol or Gambier is an dried aqueous extract prepared from the leaves and young twigs of Uncaria gambier boxberg. These are the image of pale catechol. Pale catechol belonging to family Rubiaceae. Geographical source: the plant is a climbing shrub and native of Malaya, Singapore, Indonesia, and Borneo. Cultivation and collection of pale catechol. The cultivation is done to an altitude of 170 to 180 meters. The propagation is made up by sowing the seed in nursery. After 9 months, seeding are transplanted in the field at distance of 3 meters. When the plants are of 2 years, the first harvesting is done by cutting the leaves and young twigs. Preparation of pale catechol. The leaves and young twigs are collected and put into cauldrons which consist of water. The bottom of cauldron is made up of iron and sides of hard wood. The cauldrons are boiled for about breve and decoction is concentrated till it acquires a pastry consistency of yellowish green color. Physical characteristic: color reddish brown, odorless, taste of first bitter and astringent, later sweet. Shape: Gambier occur in cube, each side of which is about 2 to 3 cm or sometimes in large rectangular block about 4 cm long. Chemical constituent of pale catechol. Gambier contains condensed tannin. It contains 7 to 33% of catechin and 22 to 50% of catecutanic acid. These two substances constitute over 60% of the drugs. Are catecholate quercetin, a fluorescent substance called as Gambier fluorescein. Chemical structure of chemical constituent of pale catechol. Chemical taste. First is Gambier fluorescein taste. The drugs is extracted with alcohol and filtered. To the filtered add sodium hydrochloric acid and a few drops of light petroleum. It is shaken and kept aside for sometimes petroleum layers show green fluorescent. Black catechol does not show this taste. Matchstick taste. Wooden matchstick is dipped in decoction of pale catechol and dried in it hydrochloric acid and warmed near the flame. A purple or magenta color is produced due to conversion of a catechin into fluoresceimol. Third is vanillin hydrochloric acid test. Vanillin hydrochloric acid test: prepare a solution containing vanillin 1 ml, alcohol 10 ml, and dilute hydrochloric acid 10 ml to the drugs. Add a small quantity of this solution of Gambier show pink or red color due to formation of fluorogisonol. Uses of pale catechol. It is used as astringent. It is used in leather and fabric industry. It is used in dyeing industry. Adulterant. Pale catechol is adulterated with mineral matter, ferric hydroxide, gray, etc., astringent extract, and starch. These are the marketed product of pale catechol. Second is black catechol. Synonyms: cage, katha, catechol. Biological source: it consists of dry aqueous extract of hardwood plant Acacia catechol. Black catechol belonging to family Leguminosae. These are the image of black catechol. Geographical source: a catechol and a corolla are found wild and cultivated in India and Myanmar. Collection and cultivation. And catch are two different products of same plant. Katha is rich in catechin and catch is rich in catechin acid. And the tree is felled and bark and sapwood are removed from the trunk. The hardwood cut into small pieces and boiled in the water in earthen pots. It is cooled by refrigeration and then centrifuged to isolate the cake of katha. The cake is cut into various sizes and then dried. Morphological characteristic: color dark brown to almost black. Odorless. Taste first bitter then sweet. Anesthesia: shape cube or irregular shape. Chemical constituent: black catgut contain 25 to 35% of catechinic acid and 10 to 12% of acetylcholine, also known as the acacia catechin. The other constituent of the drugs are catechol, red quercetin, and 20 to 30% of gums. The drugs does not contain chlorophyll and a fluorescent substance as in palcatchu. These are the image of chemical constituent of black catchu. Chemical test: first, matchstick test and validating hydrochloric acid test are positive in black catchu, which are described under palcatchu. Second, add a few drops of fresh aqueous extract, 10 ml of lime water. A brown color is produced, and on standing for 3 minutes, a red PPT is formed. Third is to 5 ml of 1% weight by volume solution. Add 1 ml of 0.1% weight by volume solution of ferric ammonium sulfate. A dark green color is produced. Add solution of sodium hydroxide. The color changes to purple. Uses of black catchu: it is used as astringent. It is used as cooling and digestive agent. It is also used as a relax condition of throat, mouth, and gum. Dose of black catchu: acacia catchu crude drug 3 to 10 grams, dried extract 25 to 35 ml. These are the image of marketed product of black catchu. I am thankful to Nilesh Banarsi sir for his valuable guidance and motivation throughout the work. I am also thankful to Honorable Director sir, Principal sir, and all faculty members for their encouragement. Thank you. Have a nice day.